I can guarantee you that there is hardly a second vendor who use such great hair to make a wig. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today's video I will show you our one of our wig, which is 13 by 6 lace frontal wig made of the HD lace, and this is it. And I will show you how the hair is different from the market other vendors the wig. So this is 13 by 6 lace frontal wig, and you can see the construction. From the construction you can easily see that this is a complete full 13 by 6 lace frontal. It's unlike other most vendors which 13 by 6 wig you only have like 1 inch side parting here, and this hair is completely 13 by 6 size, so you will have a much bigger parting space. And also this hair is made 100% raw virgin hair, and you can see on this hair luster, if you look at the hair you see the luster. It's very beautiful, and I can guarantee and I can assure you that this hair luster is completely natural. It's not processed, it's not coated with silicone or anything. It's exactly same natural luster, and this luster can last with time. No matter you wash it, you do whatever, the luster will be exactly the same. And this hair is very silky straight. This is made of the raw virgin Chinese hair, which caught from the young Chinese donor, and I can guarantee you that there is hardly a second wig company in China can make a real raw virgin Chinese hair wig. Maybe they tell you that it's virgin hair wig, but it's actually made of the Remy hair, and this is completely raw virgin Chinese hair. And this hair is made of our HD lace. If you have ever seen our other channel, other video, you will know how melted and how great is our HD lace. This is a genuine Swiss HD lace, very melted with any type of complexion, and also beautifully ventilated and great density, and well constructed. Inside the cap is adjustable, and the cap is can fit your head very well, very flat and great fullness. Even the 150 or 180 density both will be pretty thick. You will not see our hair is thin or whatever. It won't be an issue. So if you want to make customized or want to make a wig with the best hair quality which can last you for 5 years, 10 years, and you want a hair which you can use to do any type of color, to bleach, to do any type of colors or textures, and can still be best quality, you can contact us and make a wig with our hair. And we can also do other type of hair quality which is more affordable, like Remy hair or other hair quality. And just contact us, different colors, whatever type of wigs you want, we will be able to make for you. Thank you for watching today's video. Hopefully you like our channel. You can subscribe and also like our products. Thank you. Have a great day.